Welcome. If you've ever saved an email draft in Gmail and then had trouble finding it, especially if you're not sure whether you've finished or even opened it, this video is for you. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to view your draft unread emails on the Gmail app, whether you're using Android or iPhone. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. The Gmail icon looks like a little red and white envelope. If you don't see it right away, you can usually find it by searching for Gmail in your app drawer or home screen. Once the app opens and your inbox appears, look towards the top left corner of your screen for the menu icon. It's the icon with 3 horizontal lines, or what people call the hamburger menu. Tap that, and a side menu will slide out, revealing several different sections of your mailbox. Scroll down in this menu until you see the Drafts label. Go ahead and tap Drafts. Here, Gmail gathers all your saved email drafts in one place. But sometimes, especially if you have a lot of drafts, finding the ones you haven't read or finished can be tricky. To make this easier, look just below the search bar at the top of your Drafts screen. You should see a set of filter options, including one labeled In Unread. Tap on In Unread, and your Gmail app will immediately filter this view to show only the draft emails that are still unread. This means you'll see only those drafts you haven't yet opened or finished, helping you get right back into your unfinished work without the clutter. And that's it. In just a few quick steps, you can now view all your unread draft emails on Gmail, making it easier to stay on top of unfinished conversations or notes to yourself. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out more of our tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.